Today we're working on the on the BRZ. Remember this thing?
So, the car's pretty wrecked. I'm not sure how. It just happened. So, the headlight's gone. It's cracked. It's full of water. It's completely stopped working. It ripped all the wiring out for the DRL, the fog light. The fog light is loose. The whole bumper obviously has a massive hole in it, and then it's not connected from here. It's just taped up. The side marker's gone. Overall, pretty bad. The entire headlight support bracket down here is just shattered. So we're gonna fix all that. Yeah. So the parts we're gonna be replacing it with include this. This is the bumper I got. Now I got this for $100 off of Craigslist. The guy said it's all original and it doesn't have very many scratches. Upon closer inspection, it's clearly repainted quite poorly, and it's pretty much destroyed. I've never seen this many nicks and scratches on a bumper, but it doesn't have a giant gaping hole in it. So it's better than what I got current. Here we have a lightly used headlight, which came from a gentleman also off of Craigslist. Now these I got for dirt cheap because the guy sold his BRZ and bought a V6 Camaro. Great. He said the reason he sold his BRZ is because it was attached to his ex-girlfriend. So I'm assuming there's a homicide case pending somewhere in there. This is the headlight support bracket. That basically just goes underneath this and like holds it in place to the frame. And that's about it. It's pretty easy to do. You just bolts here, bolts and clips here. You take it all off, and then we'll take the emblem off. And yeah, it'll be easy. Ta-da! So looking at my bumper, it was pretty trash too. I guess I can't complain as much, but like that one just seems more trash than this one. Like chips.
I think it's, yeah. I think it's also like the teeth.
Oh yeah.
The mouth guard or whatever.
Yeah.
The thing's destroyed. The paint job is pretty sketchy.
Now this probably isn't on your car, or it could be, I don't know. These things are a right pain in the arse, as the fellas from back home say. I'll tell you, the Dublin car scene. Raucous. Conor McGregor used to come out to our car meets. Pretty straightforward. That is what we're left with. Bumper, new bumper. Not so bad. Wow. Look at this, man. Goodness, it's so yuck. Anyways. The headlight support bracket came right out. Here's where it bolts to the fender. You can see it's like a little bit bent here, but that should be pretty easily bent back into shape. All right, so clearly some missing from this one that is not missing from that one, so that's nice. If you guys noticed, this used to have canards on it, so there's like holes for canards. Maybe I'll get some canards to fill the holes. I don't know. And then there's like these stupid little drifter boy things. Look at this. This is from like water and like snow and like filth just getting underneath the little holder thing.
Nice.
It's so gross. It's like straight black tar. But look at the other one. Like this is what they should look like. It's like a normal looking thing. Neither are great. Alright. Standing water.
There's stuff
look in the
growing in there.
Yeah, there's like nastiness in there. Ew. Presumably the water was getting in from this crack here, so if I went like this. Oh wow. See all that water? Oh, there we go.
That is disturbing.
Nice. So that's why the headlight died. If we do a little comparison here, here's the difference between the two headlights. This thing looks pretty poor, huh?
It's got a little,
It's seen better days. But what's interesting, and the reason why I need to replace both headlights, is because these are actually custom. Meaning these have been baked open and the insides were painted this sort of semi-gloss black. That's why they're fully blacked out. Now they look pretty cool on the car, but in the end I think we'll go back to the stock kind. To be honest, I think I kind of like the chromy look now.
it looks good. Yeah, I guess it's
It's different.
yeah. It's good though. This thing is in really good shape.
Yeah, absolutely. Why it's got 4 screw holes? Because like it went in this way. Oh, you know what?
The brackets for the other side.
Yeah, either it's mirrored for the other side, or this is the exact same fog lighting bracket they use on the WRX and the STI and the Impreza and the Legacy or Forester or whatever. And so they just make a very universal bracket. You can see it's pretty cool. It actually has a height adjustment in here. All it is like a little Phillips head screw. And you can see it just tilts the thing. It's on a hinge. Okay, so we've got red, white, black. All right, we got 3 wires here coming out of the thing. I'm gonna unwrap this because we need a little bit more wire actually. We took the original plug, which was completely destroyed as you guys saw, and we remade it. All we did was put new wires on the pins and repin it. It's actually really easy to do. So we got a new harness coming off of this thing. What we'll do is we'll cut it from about here. We'll connect it to these wires here. Positive, negative, and then signal. And then we'll just hook up the wires like this, and then boom, we'll have a perfectly functioning harness for this again. By the way, automatic wire strippers. If you guys don't have one of these, they are amazing. You just put it in, and then it pulls the wire off just like that. Boom, just like that. See that video? Click here. Yeah. Headlight is in. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks great.
Fits pretty nicely. It's actually perfect.
Should have tested it before, but you know.
Yeah, but it's all good.
It'll work.
Yeah, it'll work. It's gotta work. Halo's on?
Yeah.
Yeah, Logan's on. All right, hey, hit the hazards. Hey, how about that?
Man, who needs testing?
Yeah, that's right. Just plug it in and go.
That's it.
We gotta test our hack job wiring though.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That's over there.
Actually, that's pretty concerning. But this.
That's a big plus. I've gotten pulled over so many times for that headlight being out. So.
Well, I hope they're watching this video.
That's right.
The police officers.
Pull me over for something else.
They
Actually,
probably
don't. Please don't. See if the lights work. All right. Okay, fog lights do work. Yeah, how about that?
Isn't it?
Everything works. Man, this definitely leaking exhaust somewhere. That smells bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Good thing we have a reference car. All these bolts are like this.
God, I have no coolant. 0.
Okay, and that's about that. So we got a new bumper on, new. It's not It's not great, I'll be honest. It's a little rough. But it doesn't have a gaping hole, and the headlights work, so that's pretty good. The emblem, I need to like get a hair dryer or a heat gun and get the adhesive and stuff, and I'll transfer the emblem over. But for now, I'd say it looks pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's straight OE.
I don't know how well the color is appearing. Now, to be fair, like I feel like this is much dirtier than this. I feel like if you clean it, we got a better idea of what.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's a totally different color. This is like way more yellow than this. This is like more blue, and this is more yellow. So, yeah, it's not the best, but yeah. This was the repair of the BRZ after we ran over a small goat. Sad what happened to the goat, but I'm pretty happy with the result here. So.
Oh man.
All right.
God.
Bye. Okay, let's cut
Tempura.
this, please. Yeah, we have to work on this piece of garbage.